Ever feel like you're looking for that perfect side hustle? One that doesn't need a crazy amount of money, endless hours, or a degree in graphic design? Well, today, that's exactly what we're breaking down. We're talking about building a real, low effort, high reward passive income stream with a tool you've probably already got on your computer: Canva. Okay, let's be real for a second. Are you searching for a way to make money online that actually fits into your life instead of completely taking it over? A business model where you don't have to worry about boxes, shipping, or inventory? If you're nodding your head right now, then you're in the right place. And this is the golden ticket right here. Just imagine it. You create something one time, a cool set of social media graphics, a digital planner, some printable wall art, and then you sell it over and over and over again. That's the magic of digital products, and believe me, Canva is the key to that kingdom. So let's really get into the nuts and bolts of this. What we're seeing is that creating digital products with Canva is, without a doubt, one of the most accessible ways to start an online business today, and that trend is only getting bigger.
So, what do we really mean by passive income here? It's not about getting rich doing nothing. It's about doing the work once. You build that digital asset, and it can literally make money for you while you're sleeping, on vacation, or busy creating your next big thing. No warehouse, no packing tape, no post office runs.
So, why does this work so well, especially if you're just starting out? Well, it really boils down to four key pillars that create this kind of perfect storm of opportunity. Let's dig into them. First off, it is so beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a design genius thanks to Canva's simple drag-and-drop setup. Second, the demand is just massive. I mean, millions of small businesses, influencers, and creators are desperate for good-looking designs they can use right now. Third, as we said, it's the ultimate passive income play. And finally, you've got these incredible marketplaces like Etsy, which are basically giant search engines full of people ready to buy what you're making. This quote just nails it, doesn't it? You are totally free from all the headaches that come with physical products. This is a business model that is built to scale from the very first day you start. All right, so you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but what on earth would I actually make? Well, this is the fun part. Let's look at some of the most profitable and popular categories that are selling like crazy right now. This table gives us a great snapshot. Social media templates are huge. Think about all the online coaches and small shops that need to post every single day. Planners and organizers, they tap into that universal desire we all have to get our lives together. Printables are super easy to start with. Instant art. And branding kits, they offer so much value to new businesses that need to look sharp on a budget. And this chart, it spells out exactly where the action is. Look at that. Social media templates and planners together make up a whopping 70% of the demand. So while you can succeed anywhere, these are the areas where you can make a big splash fast. And don't sleep on educational products. That's a really interesting, growing slice of the pie. And here's a little pro tip for you. If you want a real edge, check out podcast graphics. This niche is exploding in demand, but it has way less competition than something like general Instagram templates. We're talking cover art, episode thumbnails, social media promos. It's a golden opportunity. Okay, you've got a fantastic product idea percolating. Now, where do you actually sell it? Because picking the right platform is just as important as creating a great product. Let's look at the top options. So you've basically got three main paths here. For anyone just starting out, Etsy is the clear winner. Why? Because it brings the customers to you. Gumroad is amazing if you already have a following on social media or a blog. And for the long game, your own website gives you all the control and the best profits, but you've got to generate all your own traffic. So the bottom line is this. If you're new to this, don't make it harder than it needs to be. Go where the buyers already are. Etsy is a buzzing marketplace with millions, and I mean millions, of people searching for things like social media templates or digital planner every single day. It's the perfect launchpad. All right, you've made your product, you've listed it for sale. Now what? How do you go from making a few random sales to building a source of consistent, reliable income? This is where a little strategy goes a long way. Okay, one of the biggest secrets to success is bundling. Seriously, selling one template for $5 is fine. But look at the difference here. When you package 10, 20, or even 50 designs together into a bundle, the perceived value just skyrockets. You can charge way more, and you start attracting more serious buyers who are looking for a whole solution, not just one little thing. And this right here shows you the real earning potential. For a really good, comprehensive bundle in a hot niche, think fitness, personal finance, or beauty, you can easily be charging in that $25 to $50 range, maybe even more. That's how this little side hustle turns into a serious income stream. So let's bring it all home with a super simple, actionable checklist. 1, keep it simple. Remember, your customer is not a designer, so make it easy for them to edit. 2, include a simple instruction guide. This little touch makes a huge difference. 3, focus on those trending niches where you know people are already spending money. 4, always check how it looks on a phone. And 5, probably the most important one, just launch it. Test things, see what sells, and then make more of what works. Let the market tell you what it wants. I absolutely love this quote because it is so true. Perfectionism is the enemy of progress. The key to this whole thing is just getting started. Put something out there, get feedback, make it better. Momentum is everything. So I'll leave you with this final thought. The barrier to entry here has never, ever been lower. The tools are easy, the demand is real, and the potential is huge. Your first profitable product is just sitting there as an idea in your head. The only question is, what are you going to create?